How about it, guys? So we made it to Keller's flea market and everything. The hotel last night was a nightmare. That's part of the video. I'm going to do a long video. This is just a quick update. But the weather was supposed to be a little crappy today. Good tomorrow, which we're here for tomorrow's sale. Man, I'm not too sure a tornado didn't touch down like right in this general area. My Cadillac it felt like it was sliding across the road when I was coming in. And part of the roof blew off the building here. There's lots of great old, just rusted into the ground, becoming part of the land, cars all over this place and stuff. I'm going to make some videos if the weather clears up and everything. I'll definitely film before I leave for hopefully the bigger video that I'm actually putting together right now. So yeah, guys, the Diecast Gypsy YouTube, Instagram, come check it out. It is the space Diecast Gypsy, all one word. I appreciate everybody that follows us. Hey guys, we're here in Savannah. Come check us out. Okay guys, it's Friday. Sorry I don't bring you more of this footage, but this is me setting up at a new market. Got to make the most out of our real estate. So the ceiling's low, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to post up on the ceiling. Make the most out of our real estate. It's just 10 by 10. I'm cramming 3 tables in here. We're going to make it look like we're set up here all the time by the time it's finished. I think it's coming together pretty good. Another quick little brainstorm. They cut the lights on for me and the luck just keeps getting better. Mine doesn't seem to be working quite well. I think we're good from the rain though. This should be the last little bit coming through. We should be clear on through tomorrow. Sure is a nice day otherwise. So it's about 11 o'clock at night. We're still hanging cars. Of course, every once in a while, man, I sit back down. I know it's probably not the easiest to see it. There's lights down the entire way here. And of course, I've got the one section where the lights are out. And I'm even the one that had them cut the lights on for me. So I got my own little lantern set up, $1 a piece at Wally World. But yeah, so still got a ton to do. Got boxes and boxes and boxes. But yeah, see, look, lights everywhere. 10 lights. Good times. Anyways, how about everybody? So it's Saturday morning. We're just about set up all through the rafters and stuff. Man, I am freezing. Yeah, but it's hopefully gonna be a good day, man. So I'll bring you guys some more footage as we go. It's a lot of hanging cars. Alright guys, we're all set up. Saturday market here at Keller's. It's just starting to get lively. All my beautiful Barbies. So we made the most out of what real estate we had. It's been a good long time putting all this together. The market's already been open for a few hours now, but it's just now starting to get lively. We've had to adjust some stuff because of the windage. Kind of crammed in here, but made it work in at 10 by 10. Sometimes it pays to be the Diecast Gypsy. The girls down here at the funnel cake booth. Earlier I was looking in the window like I was side puppy while they were getting it open, and they brought me this enormous funnel cake, man. They're just right down here off the 800 row down here at Keller's Flea Market, man. If you're in town, check them out, most definitely, man. I'm loving this market, man. People are fantastic and stuff for the most part, and yeah, just look at this thing. It's good to be the die-cast gypsum. All right, guys, this is one of the rusty beauties they got sitting down here at the market. Just needs a little welding bondo, should be good to go. She has definitely started to become one with the earth. Sort of got a good moon roof. I'm sure they'll sell this one to you cheap if you decide you want to restore. Baby is part of the landscape again. About it, guys, so it's the end of the market. It was actually pretty good. Everybody said it was pretty slow, man, but we did pretty well. Too bad we're not going to be selling tomorrow, but I promised the kids I'd be home for Easter. And so we're going to get picking up. I've already been doing a little bit of picking up. Man, worst part of playing cars is when they make you pick it all up, man. All that time to set it up and everything, man. But people really enjoy it, and they like to come in and see a nice setup place, man. Part of this whole thing is not only about just decent customer service and knowing what you got and how to talk to people and stuff, and you know, kind of educate them in on the hobby if they're not into it already. It's also about that presentation, man, and I try to get that on par. So it's been a good run, man. We're gonna have about a 4-hour run back home. We'll see what we get into with that. So take it easy. Some of the old tractors and stuff. I mean, they just got stuff everywhere, guys. It was a pretty good market, man. I did enjoy it up here. It is going to be Easter tomorrow, so I promised the kiddos that I would be home. Check this bad boy out right here. This is pretty cool. And I did post pictures of all these on my Instagram. I just love stuff like this. Got some meat on it. I'd say it was for like a float or something at one point in its life. Soul beauty right here. Some more tractors. Don't care about those thinking tractors, man. It's almost a shame to let this just sit here. It would make one heck of a project. I mean, she's pretty good inside. Yeah, buddy. Fantastic. Little tractors. Everybody's all cleared up and gone. As always, when the last guy's out, it takes forever to get my stuff packed up. Sweet ride though. There's a ton of Bondo in the side of that thing. Sorry, the local retards are kind of loud in the background. Say she just needs a little work. This one's still got an old tag on it. Kind of looks like an old plane prop. All the parts are there, man. Good old southern rust. That cancer eats everything down here, especially since we're right off the ocean. Somebody's old toy. What a shame. What an absolute shame and waste. Some more old tractors and stuff. Love this. Old Ford front end sitting there. Just rotting away. The old stage they built out of a couple of old 18-wheelers. It's pretty cool. This one still has its tow hitch in the front. Pulled behind somebody's camper, but that was a sight to behold. So this thing pulled behind an old Winnebago. Sorry guys, it's been a long weekend. I can't barely speak on a good day. They just got these cars laid all over here, man. Another oldie. She's seen better days. Let's check this one out. I love this big body stuff all day long. So when cars were really cars, pieces of art. This guy's rusty, but out of all of them, looks like it has its bones probably the most. pretty sweet. Man, you can just put this thing back on the road. There's some pretty heavy rust in her, but... Oh, she opens. Fantastic. Ah. Guys, she's still good. Oh my Lord. Special deluxe edition. Absolutely a beautiful Plymouth. If I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. Got a Mustang in the woods. Sorry guys, I'm being lazy. It's been a really long week. Check this bad boy out. That is fantastic. Bones of a rat rod. Oh, Chevy. Hey man, you got a Chevrolet, man? You gotta love the Chevy guys down here in the South. Can't help it, man. They're bow tie guys. They don't know no better. Leave your hate comments below. Little stock car bodies. I'm glad I looked ahead. I have a huge ditch coming up, and I was locked in on these cars, man. How you go irresponsibly? You still got a bumper on the front of it. Sweet. I wish they still had the bodies, man. Fantastic. She's run hard in the ground. Somebody ran this poor pony till it died. What a waste of a Mach 1. I'm sure they could still salvage this. But man, it would be some work. George, you gotta watch for snakes, man. Especially down here in Savannah. Big ass rattlesnakes. What a crying shame. I wish we could see the front end of it a little bit better. I don't think there's nothing there, guys. Anyways. Well, that's it for Keller's, guys. Let's go home. It's only about 4 hours. I'm beat. It's actually a really pretty sunset. Headed home, 16 westbound, baby. Love that painted sky. How about everybody? Well, happy Easter to everyone. We're finally back home. We got in super late last night, man. Had to stop a couple of times to take a nap. The video is kind of long. Let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to bring you guys more and more footage. As always, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and take it easy.